Today, let's learn this modal particle, 吧. You will hear this very often at the end of the sentence. And this 吧 doesn't have any specific meaning, but it implies different emotions. When you ask someone to do something, the 吧 will make your statement sound like a suggestion instead of an order. For example, 你吃吧, please go ahead and eat it. 你喝吧, please go ahead and drink it. 你来吧, please come over. 吧 also implies the uncertainty. For example, 不会吧, can't be, 不会吧. 不会是真的吧, can't be real, 不会是真的吧. Now you have learned how to use 吧 in the statement to soften down your tone when you ask someone to do something. More example, 你去吧, please go ahead. 你回去吧, please return, please go back. 算了吧, just forget it. And also uncertainty. One example is, 你还好吧? 你还好吧? Are you okay? 你还好吧?